Alieu. My work is vulcanizer, and this work I learned it when I was in 18 years, but now I'm getting to 20. Since we don't have anything like opportunity to do some kind of work, understand? This is the reason I just choose this work to learn. And this is when my snowboarder is still having his own mind through. And then he was learning since when he was young, understand? I realized, okay, let me do it, join it and learn it. Before I just get maybe if God very soon come lesson, I can change my destiny to another work that is better than this one. But sure, this one is so good. Understand? My father was in army, and he died. I don't even know him. His true future I know him. And my mom too. He's dead right now. He's getting 4 months in grave now. Oh, that one is not the right way. You understand? I can't, since I'm a man, I have to focus for myself. I don't like to defend anybody or someone, you understand? And I have to have right to do what I wanted to in my life. Not to like defend you with someone. You understand? We are 6, and both of us, we are all men. Yeah. And we so far I'm the last guy. I was started my school in my state, that is National State. Then I joined JS1, JS2, JS3. When I graduated from there and I come to this place, Abuja, to start SS1, SS2, SS3. When it came to wife time, and I went to my state back to write my own wife. Because that time I didn't have enough source of income. Understand? That is why I just write to WAEC. But inshallah, next day I'll try to write jam, inshallah.
Fine, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, I'll add this one. Yes, sir.
Guys in a day, we used to make like 4K or 5K, understand? Yeah, local work not to be like 3,000 or 3,500. It's very, very messy because I have to defend. I don't like to be begging or defending with someone. No, I can't do that. That is why I said self-reliance, let me come and mend it for so that I can be feeding myself through this work.
Thank you, sir.
Like if rain is falling now, you see that umbrella? You see it? Yeah. Sometimes when it's falling, we used to just open the umbrella, enter inside. You just three languages. I mean my own language, and Hausa language, and I can speak English, but it's not more like this. I used to learn it also. My own language is Wandera from Nasarawa State. My own advice to young guys like me, they should stop defending with someone, understand? Because this world is going far. You see a young guy, he doesn't have anything to do, you understand? Or they will tell him to go and do like pushing wheelbarrow or doing shoemaker. Say, God forbid, I can't do that. And he doesn't have anything, you understand? And he have a like girlfriend. So, for example, his girlfriend asking for something and he doesn't have money to do that for her. What do you think it will happen? If you see like someone property, you can steal it so that I can, you understand? So the money to go and make her girlfriend to be happy or whatever. Because my own advice to them is that they should stop defending with someone. They should have to go out and hustling for what they will benefit from and or they will defend on it. Or start defending with someone or say, I have to go and do this kind of thing, do, and that thing is not the right way, understand? That thing is not the right way. Since you are a man, you have to go and hustle for what you are going to, so that if you are doing a good things, God will just open way, you understand? And just open way for you. Or it just bless you, understand? Or you started doing like all these following abalies, bad friends. That one is not the right way. Just inshallah write jam. Then from there, if I get my jam, I will be struggling to have an admission to either college or university.